Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you this afternoon. I want to show you all a new deal I got. I got a big old cast iron grate for my Weber kettle, my 22-inch. This is an Aurora Outdoor Products. I'll put a link to the description box, but big, heavy-duty cast iron grate for the 22-inch Weber kettle. We're going to do some simple chicken wings with it tonight. I'm going to show y'all how it works. So look at that heavy-duty cast iron grate. How much better that looks than the other thing, old junker that come on there. But we'll go ahead and let the coals get started. I got the Vortex there in the middle. It's going to be great for these wings here in a little bit. Let's get the chicken wings ready. Real simple recipe here. You see I've got my chicken wings just kind of put out on a cookie cooling rack. I'm going to hit them with some of the duck fat spray. You know, I love using this stuff. So kind of hit them. I've already hit the backside with it. And this really helps get the skin just like I want it. Gives some good flavor too. Then I'm going to hit it with some of this Heath Riles Everyday Rub. Basically a salt, pepper, garlic type rub. And you know, something simple. I've already put a little bit on there earlier. I like to put them on this rack in the refrigerator for a little while before I cook them. Just help the skin dry out, let them dry and everything. Anyway, got a little more of that rub on there. And then we'll go out to the cooker with them. Hopefully y'all can see I got the Vortex there in the middle. And by the way, you don't have to season this grate. It comes pre-seasoned. I did spray a little duck fat on it though earlier. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. I'm going to put a little piece of cherry wood, y'all, right down here in the middle before we get going. And then we'll just set these wings and things just right around a circle like I always do here with the Vortex set up. But what's cool about this, y'all, is we're going to have more room because we got the full circle instead of the one that came with the cooker. You know, it had those big gaps, so we should be able to fit the wings on there a lot easier. All right, and get everybody joining the party. And that cherry wood ought to start here in just a minute. And yeah, look at this. It's a whole pack of wings here. I used to have to throw a couple on the side. I can move these around just a little bit more. I was really spacing them out. Let's go there. Whew, man, that's some heat coming off that Vortex now. I'm telling you what. There. Wing right there. Move that joker in. Come on, just like that. Alright, now I'm going to put the lid on there. And find my lid real quick. And we'll remember about 10 minutes or so, about 10 minutes, I'm going to turn the lid a little bit. I'm going to set that on there. Got the vents wide open. It's going to be real good, y'all. Just for the heck of it this time, because I've seen some people do it after 5 minutes, I'm going to turn in a quarter turn. Alright, and we'll check it after this next 5 minutes. Alright, y'all, they've been cooking about 15 minutes. I've been turning a quarter turn every 5 minutes. Don't they look pretty right now? I'm going to zoom y'all in a little bit. Now what we're going to do, got some good old Justin Wilson's products, some of his wing sauce, if y'all can see that. I don't know if you can see it or not. But anyway, we're going to use some of that, and we're going to baste these bad boys. Before we do that, I'm going to flip them over. All right, I'm going to baste this back side. To see how it's just kind of white. I'm going to do this back side, and then I'm going to get the other side. But that's what I'm talking about. I'm going to do this Justin Wilson wing sauce. Let me get these flipped over real quick for you. Man, these things look good. So I'm going to put some of this sauce in this pan here. And put that there. And then I'm going to get the bottom side of these. Kind of hard to do this. Know where to set this stuff down. I need a shelf for this cooker somehow. But anyway, what I'm going to do is just baste the bottom just like that. And then we'll go around, we'll flip them, and we'll baste the top side, right? We'll let that sauce sit in, and they pretty much ought to be done by now, y'all. They're going to be so good. That's what I'm talking about. Don't take much. Just keep it simple with these wings like this. You know, and that skin, you know, got that skin crisp up with all that duck fat and everything on there. That'll be real good. Y'all look at those beauties. I just flipped them. Now we're going to sauce this other side here. I mean, isn't that pretty? Look at that. Sauce is good skin side. The pretty side, as I like to call it. Oh yeah. That Justin Wilson's just... You can get this stuff at Rouse's, by the way, Justin Wilson's, or you can order off the website. I'll put a link. He's got a bunch of cool stuff. Gumbo stirs and whatnot. Cajun seasonings. Y'all, I mean, this stuff is just going on here. I like it. It's nice, a thinner sauce. Right consistency for the wing sauce. You could toss it in this sauce too, but I like to cook it on the skin like this. Oh yeah. Beautiful. With that Heath Rouse, all that wonderful everyday rub it is. Here, I tell you another thing I love on chicken wings is Mississippi Grind, but I was going for a little bit different, more of the buffalo profile tonight, so we didn't use that. But normally that's what I put on here. Look at that. I love these grates, man. Really hold the heat, a good cast iron, you know. We're just going to base these bad boys up. And this Vortex is just doing its thing, baby. Crisping everything just like it should, cooking it. I said we can get this sauce all nice and on there. I don't want to leave a bit untouched by this good sauce. You know what I'm saying, on these chicken wings. And we're going to put the lid back on here in just a second. Let this sauce set. But that is phenomenal looking right there, y'all. That's beautiful. Go ahead and let that sauce set. Put the lid back on just for a second. Y'all, I think they're ready to take off. They're looking real fine. You go ahead and take them off here, put them on a cutting board. Just serve them up on it, and I tell you what, these things look beautiful. Go ahead and just set them all on here. They said this sauce is set up perfect. Try to grab it over here by the little wing part just to keep them looking so pretty. Oh yeah, that's nice. So we're gonna take these. You could serve them with some blue cheese or something like that. I just like to eat them just normal, just like they come. Oh wow, look at that, y'all. That's beautiful. We get all these here on the cutting board. This is real great. Did a great job. Along with the Vortex, keeping everything just nice and crisp and hot. Getting a good sear on everything. Just gonna pull these off. Right like this, y'all. Now that's perfect. And ask for a better cook. Alright, let me get these inside and I'll come right back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so let's try these. Look at these beautiful wings down here with the good old Justin Wilson sauce. I'm gonna hold them up so y'all can see them here. Y'all can see, get the light over here a little bit. Aren't those beautiful? Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Pile of wings right there. I'm telling you what, I just can't wait to try one. And we're gonna, oh yeah, break into one of them here. Bust it wide open. Smoke ring, everything. Oh, the juice. Oh my. Y'all, that is wonderful. Sauce, everything's perfect. Well, the skin got crisp. Vortex. Oh yeah, and that grilled grape. Excuse me, y'all, I gotta finish this one. Really miss it. I really do apologize. It's not every day I get carried away like that, but I just got those wings. I had to eat me a couple before I started talking to you. Those things are fantastic. I'm really proud of that Vortex system there on that little kettle with my new Grate. That's great. I can't wait to put some steak on there. I'll get a huge, like 2-3 inch ribeye from Matador Prime Meats. I'm gonna cook. I may just use that to cook it with. Y'all let me know. But anyway, thank y'all so much. Please like my videos, sub my channel. Y'all comment, please. I'm sorry I've been away for a little while and I had a bunch of stuff going on, but God bless y'all. Thumbs up the videos too. Thank y'all so much and y'all have a wonderful day.